Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to increase your font size beyond 72 in the Word application. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button on this video, so let's get started. First of all, open the Word application on your PC. Suppose I want to increase this word size. I just need to select this word and then choose a size from here. As you can see, the maximum size available is 72, but I want to make this word even bigger. Is it possible? Yes. You can make it as big as you want. Just select the word and click on the Increase Font Size icon. This way, you can increase the font size beyond 72. As you can see, the word size is now 160. If you want to decrease the font size, simply click on the Decrease Font Size icon. So friends, just like this, you can easily increase and decrease the font size. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching.